Today we are going to learn EVS subject, class 2nd, chapter number 2. Now we will continue the chapter. Chapter name is Human Body. Human, human body. Body, body, human body. In last lecture, what we have studied? Let us revise once again. What we have studied in last lecture? Our body is made up of many parts. हमारी body बहुत parts से बनी हुई है. That we have learned. Then we have learned about. Then what we have learned? We have learned about external organs, internal organs. External organs means we can see. Internal organs means we cannot see. External organs like head, eyes, nose, and then abdomen, chest, leg, hands. These are external organs. Internal organs. Internal organs means we cannot see, like brain, lungs, liver, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, heart, kidney. These are internal organs. Internal organs we cannot see. This we have studied in last lecture. Then a head. Then what we have learned about head also. Inside the head, brain होता है. Inside our head there is a brain. What brain help us? Brain help us to think. It controls our movements and feelings in our body. Then next about chest. We have learned about chest also. What chest contain? In chest there is a lungs and the heart. What lungs help us? Lungs help us to breathe and heart help to pumps the blood to entire our body. Now we have learned about abdomen. In abdomen there is a liver. Liver is the largest gland in our body. Then there is a stomach. There is a small intestine, large intestine. Okay, liver helps in digestion of food. Food digest करने में help करता है. And there is a stomach. We eat food, it goes to stomach. Then small intestine. What small intestine helps? Small intestine help us to complete our food. जो हमारा फूड होता है वो completely digest कहाँ होता है? Small intestine. Small intestine it completely digests the food. Then it goes to large intestine. फिर कहाँ जाता है वो फूड? Large intestine में. Then our food gets completely digested. Then it goes to large intestine. Then waste product come out from our body. Then kidney. What kidney helps? Kidney filters the blood and liver it purifies the blood. Okay, and it helps in digestion of food. Yes, one more thing. Those who are taking drinks, okay, तो क्या डैमेज होता है? लिवर डैमेज होता है. लिवर डैमेज हो जाता है. So we should those who are taking drink उसका लिवर डैमेज हो जाता है. And those who are smoking, जो स्मोक करता है, सिगरेट पीता है, उनका क्या डैमेज होता है? लंग्स डैमेज होता है. And those who are taking drinks like alcohol is one type of drinks. दारू, जो दारू पीता है, उनका क्या डैमेज होता है? लिवर डैमेज हो जाता है. Liver is the largest gland in our body. Now about limbs. Hands and legs are called limbs. Hand help us to write. Hold यानी पकड़ना. Eat यानी खाना. Throw means फेंकना. Okay, this about hands. Hands help us to eat, write, hold, lift, uthana. Now about legs. What legs help us? Leg help us to walk, run, kick, climb, hop, then skipping, dance. Okay. Then there are a large number of bones and muscles in our body. Okay, there are 206 bones in our body. Totally कितने bones है? 206 bones. See, दिस इज अ बोन. बोन मीन्स हड्डी. बोन यानी क्या होता है? हड्डी. बोन मीन्स हड्डी. हड्डी होती है ना. आवर बॉडी इज मेड अप ऑफ बोन. पहले बोन से शेप दिया है. आवर बॉडी इज गिव शेप ऑफ बोन्स. बॉडी किससे शेप है? पहले उसको किससे शेप दिया है? बोन से. देन बोन इज कवर्ड विथ मसल्स. फिर बोन को किससे कवर किया है? मसल से. देन मसल इज कवर्ड विथ स्किन. फिर मसल किससे कवर है? ये बॉडी हमारी किससे कवर है? स्किन से कवर है. नाउ विल टॉक अबाउट सेंस ऑर्गन्स. आवर सेंस ऑर्गन्स, there are 5 sense organs. टोटल कितने सेंस ऑर्गन्स है? 5 सेंस ऑर्गन्स. 5 सेंस ऑर्गन्स: eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin. These are 5 sense organs. How many sense organs are there? Totally there are 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin. There are 5 sense organs. Understood? What is this? This is eyes. What is this? Eyes. How many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes. 1 and 2. How many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes. What eyes help us? Eyes help us to see around us and eyes help us to see different things. अलग अलग चीजें हम किससे देखते हैं? Eyes से देखते हैं. Eyes help us to see different things. Okay? We have 2 eyes. How many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes. What eyes help us? Eyes help us to see. It help us to see. You see with the help of eyes. आप eyes से देखते हो, है ना? आप किससे दिखते हो? Eyes से. You have 2 eyes. What eyes help us? Eyes help us to see. They help us to see different types of things around us, such as cartoon, cereal, movie, then birds in the sky, etc. They also help us to read books, newspaper, etc. Now about eyes. Different, okay, we have two eyes. It helps us to see different types of things around us. सब अलग अलग different चीजें होती है हमारे आसपास में. So we see different things around us, such as cartoon. We see cartoon in the television. Then serial like Tarak Mehta, Jai Shri Krishna. These are serial we see in the television. Movie also we watch in the television. Birds in the sky. In the sky there are many birds. So how we'll come to know? We'll come to know with the help of eyes. eyes से हम देखेंगे ना. They also help us to read books. You read books with the help of eyes. You are reading. You read with the help of eyes. आप आँख से पढ़ते हो, है ना? The newspaper, then etc. Yes, one example that mango. Mango is of which color? Yellow color. Yellow color ना? So how you will come to know? आपको कैसा पता चलेगा कि mango yellow color का है? With the help of eyes. Eyes से पता चलेगा. Okay. Mango is of yellow color. Grapes is of green color. How will you come to know? You will come to know with the help of eyes. आप देखोगे तब पता चलेगा ना कि हाँ ये इस कलर का है. Rose is of red color, orange color, pink color. You will know with the help of eyes. आप देखोगे तब पता चलेगा कि ये कलर का है. Sky is of blue color. We see with the help of eyes. Aeroplane जा रहा है. Aeroplane is moving in the sky. Aeroplane is going in the sky. How will you come to know? You will come to know with the help of eyes and with the help of ear, because उसका sound आता है. Yes, and we see with the help of eyes. Eyes से हम देखता है तब पता चलेगा कि ये aeroplane जा रहा है. And we know that sound also. और फिर उसका आवाज भी सुनाई देता है ना हमें कि हाँ ये aeroplane जा रहा है. Okay. So eyes help us to see many things. Now about nose. See, this is a nose. How many noses do we have? Everyone has one nose. सबके पास एक ही nose है ना? Everyone has one nose. We have one nose. What nose help us? Nose हमें किस चीज में help करता है? Nose help us to smell. Nose help us to smell. Nose हमें किस चीज में help करता है? Smell करने में help करता है. It helps us to smell different types of things. Such as food, flower, perfume, etc. Our nose helps us to breathe. Nose. N-O-S-E, nose. This is a nose. How many nose do we have? We have one nose. What nose help us? Nose help us to Smell. Different types of things like such as food. Today your mother has made cake. मम्मी ने केक बनाया. So how will you come to know कि मम्मा ने आज केक बनाया? You will know with the help of nose because केक की स्मेल आती है ना. If your mother makes पाव भाजी, मम्मा ने पाव भाजी बनाया, तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा मम्मा ने पाव भाजी बनाया? With the help of nose. If your mother makes रसगुल्ला स्वीट, आपको मम्मी ने रसगुल्ला बनाया मम्मा ने, तो how will you come to know? With the help of nose कि रसगुल्ला की स्मेल आ रही है, मम्मा ने आज रसगुल्ला बनाया मेरे लिए. Okay. Then onion, onion की भी स्मेल आती है. How will you come to know? You know with the help of nose. So you smell with your nose. Like flower also, rose. You smell rose? Yes. Will you come? You come to know with the help of nose. Perfumes. Yes. Everyone use perfume. सब यूज करते हो ना परफ्यूम. परफ्यूम लगाते भी हो. हाँ, आज कोई स्टूडेंट ने परफ्यूम लगाया तो मैम को पता चल जाता है कि हाँ ये बच्चे ने आज परफ्यूम लगा के आया है, बिकॉज उसकी बॉडी में से स्मेल आती है परफ्यूम की. ओके. देयर आर मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ परफ्यूम लाइक ब्लू लेडी, देन फॉग, देन the assure, oh vestige assure. Then there are many kinds of perfumes and deos. Okay, etc. Our nose also help us to breathe. Nose हमें breathe करने में भी help करता है. Now we'll talk about ear. How many ears do we have? We have 2 ears. How many ears do we have? We have 2 ears. We have 2 ears. What ear help us? What ear help us? Ear help us to hear. Ear हमें किस चीज में हेल्प करता है? सुनने में हेल्प करता है. Now we'll talk about ears. We have 2 ears. They help us to hear. Ear किस चीज में हेल्प करता है? हमें सुनने में हेल्प करता है. like types of sound such as song, dialogue, etc. They also help us to maintain the balance of our body. Where is talk? We have two ears. They help us to hear different types of sounds such as song, dialogue, etc. They also help us to maintain the balance of our body. How many ears do we have? We have 2 ears. What ears help us? Ear help us to hear. आप किससे सुनते हो? ईयर से सुनते हो ना? Such as song, आप song सुनते हो? Yes, किससे सुनते हो? ईयर से सुनते हो? Then dialogues. Are you watching movie? Two sense organs are used, ear and eyes. आप मूवी देखते हो, कौन सा सेंस ऑर्गन्स यूज होता है? आइज एंड ईयर्स, बिकॉज आइज से आप देखते हो और ईयर से आप सुनते हो. They also help us to maintain the balance of our body. फिर हमारी बॉडी को वो बैलेंस मेंटेन करता है. ओके, now we'll talk about tongue. What tongue help us? Tongue help us to taste. Right? What tongue help us? Tongue help us to taste. How many tongue do we have? We have one tongue. How many tongue do we have? We have one tongue. What tongue help us? Tongue help us to taste. Like, how will we come to know that this is spicy, sour, bitter? Today your mother has made spicy सब्जी. मम्मी ने आज सब्जी तिखी बनाई, तो आपको कैसा पता चलेगा कि आज मम्मा ने सब्जी बहुत स्पाइसी बना दी है? तो यू विल नो विद द हेल्प ऑफ टंग. तीखा लगेगा ना, स्पाइसी मीन्स तीखा. सार, सार मीन्स खट्टा, लाइक लेमन, ऑरेंज, आमला. These are sour. Sour means khatta. Okay? In English we say sour. Bitter. Bitter means kadwa. How will you come to know that this is bitter? Tongue से आप टेस्ट करोगे तब आपको पता चलेगा that this is bitter. Bitter means kadwa. Bitter gourd means करेला. मम्मा ने आज करेला की सब्जी बनाई, तो आपको कैसा टेस्ट में होगा? बिटर यानी कड़वा लगेगा. ओके, इट हेल्प अस टू taste many things like ice cream, cake, butter, honey, etc. It also help us to differentiate between bitter and sweet taste. help us to taste. हम किससे टेस्ट करते हैं? टंग से. Spicy, sour, bitter. Spicy means तीखा, sour means खट्टा, bitter means कड़वा. हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये स्पाइसी है? With the help of tongue. Sour means खट्टा. How will you know? How will come to know? With the help of tongue. Bitter means कड़वा. Will come to know with the help of tongue. It help us to taste many things. और बहुत सारे चीजें हमें हेल्प करता है ना टेस्ट करने में. Like आइसक्रीम. आइसक्रीम इज स्वीट. स्वीट होती है आइसक्रीम, तीखी तो नहीं होती, खट्टी तो नहीं होती है. आइसक्रीम कैसी होती है टेस्ट में? स्वीट. केक. केक इज ऑल्सो स्वीट इन टेस्ट. बटर. हनी. हनी इज ऑल्सो स्वीट इन टेस्ट. Sorry. Etc. and many more. It also helps us to differentiate between bitter and sweet taste. हमें differentiate करने में help करता है टंग. Like bitter means कड़वा और sweet means sweet होता है ना, like honey is sweet, sugar is sweet. Okay. Now we'll talk about skin. Skin. Our whole body is covered with skin. It helps us to feel the touch anything, the touch of anything such as hard, soft, hot, cold, smooth, and rough surface. Yes, now we'll talk about skin. Our body is covered with the help of skin. What skin help us? It help us to feel. हमें फील कहाँ से होता है? स्किन से फील होता है. The touch of anything. हम कुछ भी टच करते हैं, if water is cold, हम टच करते तो हमें कैसे फील होगा? स्किन से फील होगा. स्किन से फील होगा ना हमें. Such as hard, then soft like teddy bear. Teddy bear is soft. Cotton is soft. Then hot यानी गरम. Cold means ठंडा. Smooth, rough. Road is rough. जो रोड होता है वो कैसा होता है? रफ होता है. Hard, stone कैसा होता है? वो भी थोड़ा रफ होता है ना. Stone, पत्थर. Okay. So we know when we touch anything, how will know? We know with the help of skin that this is hot, cold, smooth, then hard, okay, etc. About skin, our whole body is covered with skin. हमारी बॉडी किससे कवर है? स्किन से कवर है. It helps us to feel the touch of anything. हमें कैसे फील होगा? हम कुछ भी चीजें टच करते हैं तो अब हमें फील होगा ना. such as hard, soft, hot, cold, smooth and rough surface. कि ये hot means गर्म है, cold means ठंडा है, smooth होता है ना एकदम smooth, कोई कोई चीज एकदम smooth होती है. Eraser, eraser कैसा होता है? Smooth होता है ना. And rough, like road is rough, stone is rough, that is rough surface. Let's recall once again what today we have studied. We have studied about sense organs. How many sense organs are there? There are 5 sense organs. Eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin. What eyes help us? Eyes help us to see around us, to see different things like cartoon, serial. Then for recognizing the color कि ये fruit कौन सा color का है, like that way. Then movie. About nose, what nose help us? Nose help us to smell. Today, yeah, example, today your mother has made cake. How will you come to know? You will come to know with the help of nose, because cake smell is coming. Ear, what ear help us? Ear help us to hear, हमें सुनने में help करता है, like sound. Then we are listening music. Tongue, what tongue help us? Tongue help us to taste, food. How will recognize? Will recognize with the help of tongue. If it is spicy, sour or bitter. If it is spicy, we'll come to know with the help of tongue. Okay? If it is bitter, means कड़वा, हमें कैसा पता चलेगा? Tongue से पता चलेगा. Okay? Now about skin. Our whole body is covered with skin. हमारी body पूरी किससे cover है? Skin से cover है. It help us to feel the touch of anything. हम कुछ भी touch करते तब हमें पता चलता है ना. If it is hot, तो हमें पता चलेगा ये hot है, गर्म है. Cold, if we'll touch, तो हमें पता चलेगा कि हाँ ये ठंडा है. Hard, if we'll touch, so we'll come to know कि ये hard है, soft है, then smooth है, rough surfaces. Okay, this will know. How will come to know? Will come to know with the help of skin. Now we have completed this chapter.